Hello everyone. So this is part 3 of my monthly layout work planner. We've already done the dashboard page, we've done the daily task pages, and now I'm going to do my notes pages. So these note pages, the way that I use these is that I do like a little journal. So it's like a little journal about my business. So if anything good happens or anything bad happens, I will have a place to journal just about that. So like, you know, if I hit a certain milestone or a certain goal, or something flops, I don't know, whatever. That's what I do on these pages. So we're going to keep with the theme, right? Because that's what I like to do. And I really liked this combination. The only thing that I'm worried about is my pink. Where's my pink? My pink is running out. I'm like really low. I might be able to do one more, but I think I'll leave that pink for last. But I do like this pink, and I like this going across the top. So we're going to continue on doing that on these pages. And these pages, you know, they're pretty simple because I want a lot of room to kind of journal throughout the month. So they're not too elaborate. And we're continuing with the whole pink and green, I'm sorry, pink and orange color palette because that is what our stickers that we're using dictate. So let's continue. So I will do the same across both the tops of these pages because I want it to look nice and cohesive, and I really want it to match the other pages so that the entire month is all matchy-matchy. I like matchy-matchy. And I am making a huge mess. This is like my third video that I'm doing today without cleaning up in between. So there is like a humongous mess. So, okay, let's start with that. And then I'll put the stuff on the bottom and then I'll add the washi. That way I save, you know, space. I've really been wanting to use this when I've tried to use it on every page, but I haven't been able to. So I am going to use it now. The only thing is I don't like that white on it. So maybe I'll do the orange and I'll save the pink to go on top of that. You know what I mean? Not on top of it, to meet it. Because I don't want that just sitting or floating in the air. I want it to sit on my washi floor that I'm creating here. That's the way that my brain works. It can't just be floating in the air. It's got to be sitting on something. So as you can see, my scissors are full of stuff. The rest of my desk, I keep sticking it everywhere. I'm sure I will be walking around with washi and sticker pieces the rest of the night. And woohoo, it's Friday. You know what? I mean, all right, so I was gonna say, I'm in the mood for like pizza and wine. And that is precisely why my weight has stalled and it's not going down this month. It was going down. And then we had our anniversary, and we took a little anniversary trip. We went to Panama City, and we visited. I got to pet some lemurs, which was really fun. But of course, we ate whatever. We just enjoyed ourselves, and my stupid scale is reflecting that. Which, you know, I suppose it would, but I was kind of hoping. I don't know, it wouldn't. But it did. And I feel like, I don't know. But now I'm on a roll. Now I want like pizza and wine. Okay. Alright, so that looks nice. That's a good start. Let's see what we're putting over here. We can't put another one of these. Oh, I did want to put the girls. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. I thought the girl was only going to be like facing that side because she's like on a corner, you know, but I've got this one, so I'm going to use her. Definitely using her. Okay, so this is the same issue. I think I want the orange across first and then the pink will meet it. So let's do that. Let's do the orange first. So she's kind of butted up against something. And then my scarce pink will meet it. And there is not a cat in your house. That is my cat crying at my door. I don't know why she's got to do that every time I start to film something. Okay, so this is kind of at an angle, so let's move it down so that we don't have to use too much. And I'm not going to stick it until I do the pink. And here's the pink. So let's start the pink here. And while, I mean, we saved a little bit, right? Not much, but we saved some, so that's good. Some of the pink was saved because I am like down to the wire. I need to get more of that pink. You know, it's like hard. You got to find the exact shade because if not, it just doesn't look right. Okay, that's kind of cute. We definitely need more stuff though because, ooh, perfect. Look, you can't look because it's off camera, but this one says notes, and that's exactly what this is. Although I like this one that's got the black. It's not as big. Let's see if there's a bigger one like that one. Because we need some black. Since we've got this big black thing down here, let's put some black. I guess that's the only one. All right, let's see. And maybe we don't need the sunglasses and all that, but I don't know, it's just like not big enough, right? Yeah, that's not big enough. Not big enough. Let's see if this one looks better. Let's see. I don't know that it looks better. I still feel like we need something kind of bold because this is here. So, what is kind of bold? I mean, do we want to do like one of these? Let's see. I just feel like it needs to be something. Yeah, I think that looks better. I mean, it doesn't look great, but I just feel like it needs to be kind of bold. And that's not very bold. Unless if we use the markers. All right, I'm running out of fingers to put stickers on. Let's see how the markers look. You know, it doesn't make sense, but I think the markers look better because it provides the balance that we need in order for that to look right. So that's what's going to go here. Because we have to have balance. It has to look right. So, I don't know. I don't think I like that. And I might cut this off and put this one here. I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, where does this go? It's just going to go right there. Or the other ones that has the black, what about that? Over there on that side. Still, it's just kind of small. I think I'll add that maybe here. Yeah, all right. Let's do, I love that hello too. I like this, but I don't really need the donuts because I'm on a diet and I don't need donuts, you know? Okay, oh, but that looks weird. I don't know what I want to put up there. Does that look okay? I feel like I need more, like something more. Let's see. Those? No. It's like this thing is really throwing me off. What about a flower? Maybe this one. All right. I think it just needs to have something bold. So, that's okay. And then, these here? No. Here? Do we like this in the middle? I kind of like that in the middle. Let's just do that. Let's just do it. I like that in the middle. And then we're going to add other stuff. Let's add definitely some flowers. I'm going to put this little flower pot right here. Cut that off. Maybe with her. Does it look better up here? Let's see, on the pink, like that. Okay. And then let's do, what else do we like? I kind of like, ooh, let's do Boss Lady. She's the boss lady. That's cute. Okay, and I want something else over here. Let's see, this that has the black. Let's try it and see. Does it match? You know what? I'm just gonna put that there. I'm okay with that there. And then I'm gonna put this flower, but I'm gonna put it here like this. And then let's just put it right there in the middle. And then I'm gonna cut it. Y'all, there's little pieces of this everywhere. Let's do this. Oop, that's a little crooked. It's okay. Okay. All right. So, I kind of wanted maybe both of these here, huh? Yeah. I thought about it when I put it down. Don't tear, don't tear, don't tear, don't tear, don't tear, don't tear. Okay, we didn't tear. Yay. All right, so let's move it down right there. And then this one here. Let's cut this. And cut this. Let's see. How does that look? All right. Oh, I like it. Okay. So let's continue on, I guess, with some flowers over here. That way it kind of looks on purpose. I'm not gonna be able to use the bottom of this, but that's okay. Let's do that one, and then let's do this one like that. Let's do it like that. All right, let's cut these two off. I think I might save these because those I might be able to use. Oh, my scissors are a mess. All right, let's go like this. And I want to save those pieces. And like this. Who's having pizza and wine tonight now that I said that? Although when I post this, it probably won't be Friday anymore. So, not to mention my husband and I are both trying to like be on a diet. It's just not easy. It's not easy. Okay. All right. Ooh, how about a quote? Yes. Let's see. What do we want? Do we want booked and busy? Let's put a booked and busy here. And then something needs to go here. Let's see how these look. I don't love it, but I mean, I guess these are okay. Let's just do, you know what? Let's do the office supplies up at the top. How's that? I like this orange pen. I think we need a little color here. The orange pen. No, the orange pen looks weird there. Let's put the orange pen here. And then something up here. Oh my gosh, Mia. There's two other people in this house. And she is not bugging them. And she should be. Alright, we need some other office supplies up here. And I really think I'm going to do a quote down there. Let's see. What am I missing? I got these. Okay. Oh, this one. Let's try this one. Okay, I like that one there. Okay. And now a quote. Let's get a good quote. Live, love, craft. There's a sticker for that. I love that one. I can totally make that. A crafty life is a happy life. Let's see. Crafting is my therapy. I just want to create beautiful things. Welcome to my craft room. No, you can't use my scissors. Does that fit? It does. I like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go look for an alphabet because I usually like to write, you know, like notes or something. So hold on one second. Okay, I found these. I don't know where they're from. I didn't write it on the back, which I usually do, but I am going to use them for notes. Let's see, I'm just gonna put it here. N O. Is the O? No. Notes. I don't know, that N looks like a lowercase, but whatever. Let's just do it. I feel like it should be an uppercase N, right? Notes. And then this one, everything else is in print and the S is in script. That's kind of weird. So maybe I don't like those. I don't think I like those. Let me find some other ones. Okay, so I switched them out because those other ones were kind of weird. These are kind of bold. I'm not sure I love it, but I think I'm happy with the page so far. I think it's done. So we're going to cut it. You're going to cut it and put it in the planner because it always kind of changes the look of it, you know, once it's in the planner. And it's got the rings between it, and you see it, you know, like along with everything else in the that you got going on in here. There's that, and then this side, and then in the next video, I'm going to do my stats page, which I don't know, should I even record that? Because it's really for people that are trying to just record their stats. I don't know that, yeah, maybe I'll skip that one and I'll just show it when I do the month. Oh, that's right, I still gotta do the monthly one. Ooh, almost forgot about that. Okay, so that's the one I'll do next. I'll do the monthly layout page. All right. So let's get it in here. And I love the disc system. I can't even tell you how much I love the fact that you can take the pages out. Okay, so here we go. And we're almost finished with the month. Yay! It looks cute. I like it. Okay, so this will be the next. I'll do these on my own, and then I am going to, the next video, I'm going to record the month. So we'll do that next. Bye.